Let's see some regular and irregular verbs in English. She ran to catch the bus yesterday morning. We went to the park last Saturday. He ate a big sandwich for lunch. They drank lemonade on the hot day. Maria sang her favorite song. I saw beautiful ducks in the lake. He said thank you when he received the gift. We talked about our holiday plans. She used her phone to buy. He carried many boxes. She chose a frying pan. My mother worked late last night. I studied for the test all weekend. We learned 10 new words in English class. He cooked spaghetti for dinner. She made a cake for her friend's birthday. He did his homework before going to bed. My friend helped me. She asked for directions to the museum. They ran 3 kilometers in the morning. I walked to the store instead of driving. Now let's review the verb to be. I was at home all day yesterday. This place was incredible. They were late to school because her alarm didn't ring. The cookies were delicious, so we ate them all. It was cold outside, so I wore a jacket. They were excited about the movie. The cat was on the roof and couldn't come down. My shoes were too tight, so I had to buy new ones. The museum was closed when we got there. The flowers were beautiful in the spring. The party was fun last night. The instructions were clear. The book was on the table. The stars were bright in the sky last night. The water was warm, perfect for swimming. The streets were empty early in the morning. The movie was interesting, but a bit long. The exams were difficult, but I studied a lot. My phone was charged so I could call you. The jokes were funny and everyone laughed.